Hi there and welcome to our channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel so that you can be getting the regular videos that we upload. Today, we're going to learn how to retrieve a Wi-Fi password in 2 minutes. Welcome. So we're using the phone to retrieve our password, and the first thing that you have to do is to open the browser. This time you're using the phone, and you search for Residential Gateway Configuration Login. So that is what we are searching on the search text box. It will bring some IP address of 192.168.0.1, and it's a login there. So by default, mostly they use admin, and the password is password with a small p. So you try that first. If it gives you password or username wrong, just leave the username blank, and on the password just type admin. And this time it has accepted. Click on wireless, and then you'll get this window. Click on primary network, and in the primary network look for WPA shared key. So that is the password. So you can decide to click on show key to see it. I'll not show this one, but you can also even decide to change it. However, changing it will kick out and lock out all the other users, and it's only you can be able to have access to that. So that is the quick way of retrieving a password over Wi-Fi. Thank you for attending this tutorial. Until next time, bye.